Linking your bank account to the Dave app is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Download the Dave app. Begin by downloading the Dave app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't done so already. Step 2. Navigate to the banking section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the banking section, look for an option that says Link Bank Account or something similar. Tap on this option to start the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. This may include your bank's name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all details are entered accurately to avoid any issues. Step 5. Verify your account. After entering your bank details, the app may require you to verify your account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by the app into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to the Dave app. You can now enjoy the benefits of managing your finances more efficiently.